great challenge today, and in the same way this is a tricky challenge because a lot of students make this common mistake. On the first side, this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen. We have 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2, the easiest challenge. Yeah, we have subtraction, multiplication, so everyone learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, so that's fantastic. So go ahead and let's test our school knowledge, let's test our algebra skills for option A, B, C, and D. So pause the video, try to solve it by yourself for option, write your option down into the comment section, also write your solution, and we will check our answers here in just 30 seconds, so it will be really interesting. So first of all, here's our challenge, and a lot of students solve this question like that. We have what looks like our first interpretation. We have 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. So here's our challenge, and a lot of students solve this question like that. We have 2 minus 2 on the left and on the right hand side, so we have both the same expression. So 2 minus 2 right here is 0, yeah, and the same 0 right here, so 0 times 0, which is equal to 0, and this is option A. So a lot of students say, okay, Mr. correct answer is 0, and let's go to the next question. And another part of students say, okay, let's look, for example, at second interpretation. So what do we have? We have 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. Next part of students tells, okay, let's go from left to right. I don't care about order of operation. From left to right, let's solve this challenge absolutely randomly. So what do we have right here? 2 minus 2 equal to 0, and we have times 2 minus 2, so we rewrite this challenge. Once more from left to right, 0 times 2 equal to 0, and 0 minus 2, which is equal to minus 2. This solution also takes place. A lot of students solve this question like that, but we don't have this option, so we can easily say that this is incorrect interpretation, but a lot of students solve this question like that. And I mean that in terms of math, it's really great to know about order of operation, because obviously, as you can see, whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is one and only one correct order of operation, okay? And in this third interpretation, let's solve this question, for example, according to this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific graphing calculator works according to this PEMDAS order of operation. So how does this PEMDAS works? This PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So first we should evaluate expression inside parentheses, next we should evaluate exponents, next we should evaluate multiplication division group, and our last step is addition and subtraction group. So let's rewrite our challenge. So we have 2 minus 2 times 2 minus 2. Okay, here's our challenge. And what does PEMDAS tells us? PEMDAS tells, okay, we have right here a lot of steps, we have right here a lot of math operations, so let's scan what math operations we have. We have subtraction, we have multiplication. So where do we have this? We have subtraction right here, yeah, and we have multiplication right here. We don't have division, we don't have addition, we don't have exponents, we don't have parentheses. And it means higher position, higher priority. So as I told before, higher position, higher priority. So parentheses has the highest position, so it means if you have parentheses, we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. But we don't have exponents, we don't have parentheses. But first step, after all of these, as we avoid right here, yeah, so first step is multiplication. So we should multiply 2 times 2, which gives us 4. So we have 2 minus 2 times 2 equal to 4, and minus 2. Okay, last step, subtraction right here. So we have right here subtraction, which is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 2. We can easily cancel, so as a result we have minus 4, which is option D. But right here, 3 interpretations, 3 different answers. What is the correct answer? A lot of students arguing with each other. A lot of students don't know what is the correct approach. But let's go through each of these steps real quick. First of all, first approach, subtraction, then multiplication. This is a really bad mistake in terms of math. Forget about this, because all the time subtraction is after multiplication, or division, doesn't matter. So first we should multiply, but in this case we subtract, so we should put brackets right here. If you have brackets, we can easily solve this question like that, okay, easily. Subtraction right here, because subtraction is inside parentheses, and then subtraction had the higher priority than multiplication, because subtraction is inside parentheses, which is our first step. So parentheses has the highest priority. So with parentheses, this is a great solution. So, but in our case we don't have parentheses, so forget about this option A. Next step, this approach. This is very bad approach also, because right here we have subtraction, multiplication, subtraction. This is very randomly solution right here, because subtraction is all the time after multiplication. So we need to put brackets right here with parentheses. This is a great solution, because then we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses at first, because parentheses has the highest priority. And next we should multiply and then subtract. With parentheses, minus 2 is a correct answer. In our case, we don't have parentheses, so forget about this option. Forget about this second interpretation. Third interpretation, multiplication then subtraction. Correctly. First of all, multiplication, next subtraction. Multiplication right here, subtraction right here. And the correct answer is minus 4. This is option D. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong, but moreover, if you know a little bit about math, you can easily cancel 2 and minus 2, and as a result, we have minus 2 times 2, which gives us minus 4. This is a great trick in terms of math, if you know what I mean, okay? So correct answer is minus 4. I hope your answer is the same as mine, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So with that being said, see you in the next videos and have a great day. Also, you can check this answer in your calculator. You can plug in the whole entire problem, but don't use a regular calculator, because sometimes happen that those type of calculators work with problem as you type it in. So for example, you plug in this challenge and you plug in 2 minus 2 and your calculator gives you 0, because calculators don't know what you have further. And if you plug in the whole entire problem, you will have like a correct answer, minus 4. But if you use your regular calculator, I give 98% that you solve this question with this minus 2 or 0, minus 2 I guess, yeah, because 0 and nothing changed if you use a regular calculator. Yeah, we have minus 2 if you solve this question with a regular calculator. With scientific or graphing calculator, where you can plug in the whole entire problem, correct answer is minus 4. So I hope you understand this step. So see you in the next videos and have a great day.